Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our Focus 5 series, today we will be concentrating on these four words: O, object, power, plan. So the first word is O, O-H-O. Oh yes. Oh, I see. Oh my God. Oh, you're so kind. Oh dear, I've broken the glass. Oh Lord, I've forgotten the tickets. Let's go scuba diving. Scuba diving? Oh no, I'm not coming. Oh, so sorry, I didn't mean to stamp your feet. Oh, lighten up, I was only joking. Oh, very funny. You expect me to believe that? The second word is object. O-B-J-E-C-T, object. An object, large object. We saw a strange object in the sky. Strange object? Can it be an UFO? What's a UFO? It's unidentified flying object. Oh, I found a sharp object in the elevator, that is the lift. Ravi's main object, here object is purpose. Ravi's main object in life was to become rich. Shirish went to Paris with the object of studying hotel management, that is, with the purpose of studying hotel management. Seema, I don't object to your going to work, but who will look after the children? Here object is oppose. I don't object to your going to work means I don't oppose to your going to work. Our team leader objected the plan that we put forward. Objected means he opposed the plan. The third word is power. P-O-W-E-R, power. Power on, power down, power off, power plant, power point, power supply, solar power, wind power. Clean energy such as wind power and solar power is getting more and more popular. If fully harnessed, solar power has the power to change the world. The power has been off since this morning. This camera is powered by 2 batteries. Do you believe in a higher power? So what do you mean by higher power? It is the divine, the universe, the God. So do you believe in a higher power? Yes, I do. Never underestimate the power of prayer. Ram understands the power of positive thinking. If you realized how powerful your thoughts are, you would never think a negative thought. The fourth word is plan. P-L-A-N, plan. Plan A, plan B, plan of the day, plan of the week, plan of the month, plan of the year, plan ahead, business plan, action plan, lesson plan. Teachers write their lesson plan once a week. Do you have a plan, Sam? Yes, I have 2 plans. This is plan A, this is plan B. So let me check. We will go for plan A. May I have your attention, friends? There's a change of plan. Plan A is not working according to the plan. So let's go for plan B. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So here's wishing that you all are learning English very confidently. I come to the end of this lesson. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always. Thank you.